What are these components kept here? What are these components I'm seeing here?
This is Royal Enfield.
Okay.
This is a silencer muffler.
Okay.
This is again.
Oil seal,
It's an again. It's a silencer muffler
Okay.
for the
Okay.
R15. This is the joint insulator
Okay.
for the Hero Honda carburetor.
Okay.
These are the bike,
Okay.
and these are the shocker seal for the Hero Honda.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Apart from that, these are the seals, balls we have.
Okay.
Our core product is basically we manufacture the gaskets,
Okay.
and I'll be able to show you over there.
Oil gases, no?
This for the engine gasket for all the
Okay.
two-wheelers.
Okay.
So if I'll show you,
Uh,
so here we have let's say the most running vehicles we have that is in southern part of India. This is Excel Super.
okay. Okay.
This is the gasket.
Okay.
Right now we are applied a technology called anti-stick silicon.
Okay.
Most of the mechanic they face the problem, which is
Okay.
basically what they do. They have to scratch it the engine part.
Okay.
Now with this, they simply need to apply it.
Okay.
It will be there in the engine, but it's not going to stick on the engine,
Okay.
which will not only save their time, but
Okay.
again, this is the 550cc engine's gaskets,
Okay.
and it's a sheet. It's not a paper.
Okay.
So we started in 1970, and
Okay.
right now this is for the three-wheeler,
Okay.
Bajaj Compact.
Okay.
This is a special sheet which we
Okay.
actually import from United States.
Okay.
And the company is called manufacturer is basically an interface
Okay.
with a grade of 2755. It's
Okay.
basically a graphite.
Okay.
Graphite, which is actually a lead, which we have in the pencil.
Okay.
So this is what is there.
Okay. Mechanic should just apply the gum. You are telling that first. When applying mechanic should just apply the gum on the gas.
No, this is it doesn't require any gums and all.
Okay.
Nothing. Simply he have to clean the engine. You have to place it,
Okay.
and you have to forget it.
Okay.
So it's fit and forget. That's the
Okay.
tagline for this.
Okay.
Apart from that, this is for we have for the two-wheelers, for the Activas and all.
Okay.
This is the Linguist.
Okay.
And I can say that in India, we are the first company
Okay.
who have launched this push and push kit in pure virgin PU.
Okay.
Most of the XYZ like available in the market, they are basically made of not a first push kit. This is the virgin PU.
Okay.
And
It's all the brake for bikes, no?
this is for the bikes. Yes. This is for the Activa we have.
Okay.
Sorry, Splendor front we have.
Okay.
This is for the Hero Honda.
Okay.
Now we have a special. We manufacture a clutch plate, which is now you know that the teenage they ride bikes like bike like hell. So just to make that hell into heaven, what we do,
Okay.
we have applied a DT cork. That is the you can say the raw material which we are importing from Portugal, and this is made of like that's a DT cork, smooth, very smooth. Like after applying, the rider will feel it. Right. So this is we have for the all the vehicles we have it, and this is the all about hard work which we have done since 1970 and total 55 years of journey. You can see it here.
Currently, under CC Thomas, you are selling all the brake pads, etc. For all the vehicles.
All for all the two-wheelers and three-wheelers.
Super bike, we don't make a super bike, sir.
Yeah, for the super bikes right now we haven't got, but yes, we for all the heavy seeker. Like see, if in case we also receive a customization of the gaskets. Yes, we manufacture for other countries also, and we do export as well for the heavy CC bikes.
Currently, we have only 100 to 1 CC of that.
For 350 also, we have for the Royal Enfield also.
Okay. US and the company OEM brake show. What's the difference in presenting US?
To be very precise, like see the OEM brake shoe. They follow some certain parameter to fulfill and to be into the OEM list. Let's say, for example, the gasket. The brake shoe. Brake shoe is actually a non-asbestos, which OEM provided, and the material which we use it and which OEM they use it is called ADC12, ADCL12. That is the aluminium grade, that's a casting grade. And here you can see that. Now this is completely non-asbestos, which is implied with Kevlar. Kevlar is a source of the raw material which make it 100% aligned on non-asbestos, which will also helpful for the environment, and also it's good for the mechanic because in asbestos, which we know that like it's create up cancerous particles is released like whenever it's wear and tear. So that parameter has been followed by the OEM. In aftermarket, I'm not talking about my company, but other what they do, we actually followed the only like OE standard parameter we do it. So now we also want to let you know that other things are not the 100% casting material in aftermarket. Other people they use it who are actually running behind the money, right? We are using Kevlar. Companies, or you can say other people in the aftermarket, they use iron ore particles, which is cheap. But again, it's also damaged the drum of the pipes, right? So these are not available in OEM, which is actually you will find into the aftermarket where the OEM need to follow and they have to follow that standard parameter. That's the reason you know that. Because of the OEM, all the companies are there and people are getting the quality product because OE forward that. So this is all about.
What's the cost that you have? Is it much cheaper than OEM or costly than OEM?
See, to be very honest with you, the quality is equivalent and little bit above than the OEM. But the price wise, it is less.
What's the cost? Normal. I have a Pulsar bike. Recently, they charge me 20 rupees for the back brake shock. For the Bajaj OEM part, you
let's say, I will just give you an example. Right. This is Activa new model. Right. And the price is 204 rupees. This is the MRP. All right. So whomsoever will buy it, like mechanic or I'm not talking about the rider. The mechanic, they get some at a discounted rate. Right. So if you will go with the OEM, it's not 204. It's higher than that, which you know it very well. Right. So we have to, as a company, as a Simon Gasket and as a Starks Autotech, we have to follow a couple of things. We have to be in the market and we have to flow as per the market, whatever customer demand, and as per his pocket, we have to manufacture the product. It's not something, let's say, this is 204. If tomorrow I come with something and I'll keep the price for 300 rupees, no one is going to buy it. So I have to see the customer, and we are in India, right? All sort of varieties of, you can say, middle class family, higher, everyone. We have to see and look after everyone pockets. On basis of that, this is the most, you can say, price which is affordable by anyone. And that is to non-asbestos. It's not asbestos. It's eco-friendly, which is also you will find here. It's not going to harm the like you can say the environment, not the mechanics or the technicians whomsoever they repairs it. They won't get any kind of hazardous elements while repairing it. So this is what Starks is all about.
Does it? What's the bike warranty? If I want to put this, then it stops to put there. Then I want a bike warranty and that maximum.
I'll tell you one thing. Every company, especially I'm talking about every company means OEM. Because we are also the OEM. So certain companies. So what we do, we have to look after for two things, which is very, very important. Whenever OE comes with warranty, they have some certain parameter. Let's say about if you are riding the bikes, and most of the time you will find, the teenage or rider, they put their feet onto the brake and they drive it. And most of the time the brake clutch. So actually while riding, you have to maintain those things. So if company says it's 15,000 kilometers, sometimes what happens, it's also depend on the rider who always do the gripping, stunt, skid. So these also reduce the life of the product. For example, mobile says that the battery life is this. Throughout the day, let's say throughout the day we are watching the TV and we are playing games and all, it's going to reduce some of the performance. So to follow the standard parameter, yes, rider needs to, whenever it's required, you just do the braking system. Whenever it's required, the clutch system need to be followed that, or else you will follow the standard and yes, the life of the products or the spare parts will give even more than that.
Doesn't avoid the company warranty. Anybody wants to put this.
See, to be very honest with you, over here we are giving 15,000 kilometers. That I give you the hint. Right. But again, it's also depend on the rider. Right. There is again a mark. And sometimes we have also noticed that more than 15,000 kilometers, people have used it and still they're doing it. So again, it's totally depend on the rider. For example, I've applied into the sports bike, or let's say about the clutch brake. You know how they work it. Where is speed, instant brake. So things will get. So yes, if you follow, if you ride safely, secured, not zigzag and all, yes, You can easily.
Okay. In the exhibition, what's the offer for all the items of brake shoe clutch plates?
We have let's say we have a Simon Gasket, which is our mother company, which started from it. And in Simon company, we provide all the gaskets for 2-wheelers to 3-wheelers.
Okay.
And we also do customization for 4-wheelers,
Okay.
off-road vehicles, then tractors and anything.
Okay.
Then comes with the Scars brand. In a Scars brand, we manufacture brake shoe, non-asbestos. We manufacture clutch plate, ET core. We manufacture weight rollers. We manufacture cushion bush kit. We manufacture ling bush kit. We manufacture variator. We also manufacture seals and over there you can see the seal part is there. See oil seal, shocker seal, ball stem. This is what we manufacture.
Okay.
In Scars brand. So we not only provide these satisfactory services, which you can get from anyone, we give the delightful services in terms of this product. So whenever the customer ride the bicycle or ride the bike, he will feel the performance.
Okay.
And that's what our company tagline is.
Okay.
We innovate and produce.
Okay.
Reason being, if you go in the market, you will find this part as a known as a green bush, which color is green. This is the virgin PU, which is in form of completely you will find in a white.
Okay.
This is the first one, and this is the fresh grade.
Okay.
Right. So these things make us a unique because we love to do experimental things, and that is why we innovate and produce.
Okay. Yours also is much quality better than the company one product.
Yes.
All the
If you talk about like this is the material raw. See. To get the better performance, two things are very, very important.
Okay.
First of all, the raw material.
Okay.
And the second, need to follow the process of manufacturing. Now, this is not available in the market.
Okay.
Even Bajaj they have it because being an OEM, they provide the same material.
Okay.
And we provide the same.
Okay.
And this is for the 3-wheelers.
Okay.
And this is the best, if any, these in India, 3-wheeler never go with 2 or 3 passengers.
Okay.
4, 5. So all the load and pressures comes onto the engines.
Okay.
And it's required because in an engine needs to perform very well.
Okay.
So all the sealant part, which is called as a gasket, needs to be in a very, very good. So that can actually.
What's the cost for this item?
Let's be very precise. The cost of it is just 350.
Okay.
And the OEM is 520 rupees.
Okay.
So it's almost 40% cheaper.
Okay.
And there is a discount also.
Okay. Did you got a sale up for that? And for the 2-wheeler, what's the cost?
For the product price for the 2-wheelers varies from like vehicles to vehicle. Let's say I'm talking about Honda Shine Stunner.
Okay.
MRP is 197. This is market price.
Okay.
And I'll tell you one thing, Prateek. Why we are different? What is we are providing right now? No one is giving right now in the market.
Okay.
This is the sheet. This is not a paper.
Okay.
It is a specialized sheet.
Okay.
We made a compatible for the BS6. Now on this sheet you will find this is the anti-stick silicone we have applied.
Okay.
Now it is very easy to for the mechanic to apply on the engine.
Okay.
Now one more thing. These days mechanic faces one problem, that is they have to scratch the engine 2 hours, 3 hours.
I know.
You know it very well. So before installation of this gasket, the mechanic will use the last time as like a blade on the engine.
Okay.
And next time, whenever after applying this gasket, after some certain period, or let's say about the heat raised of the engine by 50 degrees, it's turned into the gel form and it's give the jointing.
Okay.
So the mechanics do not need to apply silicone or you can say the anabond anymore on the gasket. So this will be ventilated. So now by taking this gasket, mechanic will get 2 things. First, he will save 2 to 3 hours and even a half day. The second, he don't need to apply a 50, 60 or 80 rupees of anabond anymore. So he will save 2 hours every day on one engine and also 50 to 80 rupees of anabond. Now, whenever he wants to remove this, with the help of the nail, he can peel it off. So easy to fit and easy to remove. So it will be a best for him. The mechanic problem we have eliminated in this gasket.
But now also I've seen any biker who gets engine piece that comes to mechanic, he always goes to the showroom or go to the auto the spare parts where the showroom parts are available. He buys that one, but he doesn't go for this one.
I'll tell you what exactly you have raised the very right questions, Prateek. See, why they go with this? 2 things. Let's say, as a hypothetically, you have your bike. I'm a mechanic, right? I'm a technician. She comes. I'm not putting the right product into your vehicles. Like, let's say I'm not putting the right part. I'm providing some parts which is actually I have a good margin as a profitability. So the performance of your bike will not be as Has to be.
Um,
So what you will do? You will simply change because it is your bike and you have the full right. So you will change the mechanics to the service center because you know that from there you will get the better services. Right now, as a Simon, we wants to change that. You can say that the trends. We are providing all the quality materials
okay.
to the mechanic. What the person can get into the services. Right. So one mechanic will give you this kind of a quality product at a better price and a lesser price. Then definitely all rider will come to the mechanic because we know
Okay.
if this price is let's say about 100 rupees, the same thing and repairing and labor charge will come at the mechanic shop by let's say 500.
Okay.
The same thing if we will go to the service station, the charge will be higher and it's going to take a healthy amount from your pocket, right?
Okay.
So we want to eliminate those
Okay.
things. As a company, yes, it is very good. And we are also trying to help all the technicians
Okay.
to be
Okay.
and get the maximum business
Um,
by providing the
Okay.
better quality
Okay.
and they can count on us.
okay. Correct. Currently, very available now. Mechanic also purchase now. Where is available?
I'll tell you. In Bangalore, we have a distributor. One is VK Marketing
Okay.
at a JC Road,
Okay.
right, Mr. Chinna Venkateshwar Swami.
Okay.
And the second, we have a loan car,
Okay.
and they are at again JC Road in a
Okay.
Bangalore. They can get it.
Okay.
And if in case customer want to take it and they are unable to find that, they can simply visit to our website. I'll
Okay.
tell you. I'll show you that also
Okay.
how to do it.
Um,
If they will come here, you simply need to type www.skasauto.com. Whenever they will apply, this page will open.
Okay. So complete page.
This is a company, right?
Okay.
We have an options called
Phone.
phone and we have options called WhatsApp.
Okay.
If he will click on the WhatsApp, straight away he will land onto this page
Okay.
and he will mention hi
Okay.
and it will.
Ah.
Best part is that it will straight away go to the customer care team.
Okay.
CRM manager is there.
Okay.
She get the contact details
Okay.
and she connect that mechanic or retailer or to the buyer to the nearest distributor.
Okay.
So this is how
Okay.
like anyone's required Simon or Cascade or his cast product, he
Okay.
can simply reach it to this way.
Okay. After that, the WhatsApp customer care can do online payment or speaking.
No. See, a customer care are the messenger
Okay.
between the retailer and the distributor.
Okay.
So the mechanic, anything, it will be, they just connect the connector.
Okay.
And after that, whatever the payment, whatever the product, he or she will get it from that retailer.
Okay.
And he have to pay to them, not to the company.
Okay.
No, because we are manufacturer.
Okay.
Sorry, we are the manufacturer, and what we do, we manufacture products for the market, for the mechanics,
Okay.
and so that yes, they can get the best quality,
Okay.
so that their customer can get more trust on them. And as we have a one very good tagline, our company tagline is unmatched quality and trust. And we have our one more tag, seal your trust with Simon Gasket. It's not only the sealing product. This is the trust we got it from the market and from the customers. And since 1970, we are earning those.
Okay.
Right now we are not hiring, or we can say that we are getting the people and the consumer who have gave this tagline. So this is everything.
Okay.
This is our life basically.
Okay.
It's a passion for us.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. So we have a KTM also.
Okay.
So anything. Yes,
You
we
can
have.
update for PS2. All kind of PS3
Everything. See,
Okay.
Lambretta scooter
Okay.
to KTM bike.
Okay, because nowadays companies only when the PS3 and PS4 you have to put tell the customer and tell you can't apply PS for that tell when engine part of same
We do
but
that.
yours is compared with all the PS3 are present. That's a good
Yes.
part of the company.
Absolutely. Easy. Because we have to manufacture as per the customer demands.
Okay, what's the engine life of this your aftermarket
See,
and the one
to be very honest with you, again, if it's in the market, like if it install in the engine, life is, if something, see, it's not going to leak like in a 1 day or 2 days.
Okay.
I have noticed and I have experienced like one engine for 11 years also,
Okay.
one engine for 5 years also, one engine for 10 years also. And recently, sometimes what happens, whenever the engine gets muddy
Okay.
and it gets drawn into the water or something, when the engine got seized
Okay.
for some technical reason, in that case, yes, you have to open the engine.
I know.
And whenever the engine gets open, like mostly mechanics, what mechanics do, they change the gaskets.
I know.
Right. And just to make sure that they get the better performance. However, they can use it in Simon gasket, they can reuse it.
Okay.
But again, to get the better performance, yes, they can.
Okay, that's new feature I'm adding. Reuse it because normal.
See,
That's okay.
again, the shelf life of this gasket is 5 years.
Okay.
The shelf life.
Okay.
Right. And if you talk about in the engine,
Okay.
till the time there is no technical glitches, it will work perfectly.
Because for first time I think you can also reuse the gasket. Normally magnetic OEM part they'll get you to replace OEM part and put new gasket and tell you. And what I heard normally in mechanics are fine, but yours is a special product I have.
It's special. And one more thing, what happened? As I told you that most of the time, mechanic 99% they have to scratch it,
I know,
so they cannot use it.
I know it.
And now this is the technology, anti-stick,
Okay.
easy to remove.
Okay.
They can use it.
How is the customer called? Exactly customers who install on their bikes and using it now? Customers in Bangalore?
Many means many.
Uh,
From last 19 years, we are supplying in Karnataka.
Okay.
1919.
okay.
And this is in the Karnataka market,
Okay.
right? And wherever you go in India,
Okay.
everywhere you will find Simon gasket.
Okay.
Everywhere you will
Okay,
find.
because normally OME I've heard only one pedal seat will separate with some another will separate with like that. And the OME parts like yours we don't get in a full set we don't get in complete but I've seen it everything will be separate packages I've seen
Yes,
oil
you
seal
will-
everything
Yes, they see.
Okay.
This is they earn it money.
Okay, and signing that was the figure I've seen. One part is one shot, another will get yours is one shot, we get everything that from oil seal to all gases of capture.
Exactly. See that you have raised a very good questions, Pratik. Mechanic, what they actually find problem also. If they want to do the complete gasket change of an engine, they have to buy one part. If in case one is missing,
Okay.
he would not be able to close that engine
I know.
until and unless he's not getting the
Okay,
problem.
you get time also with the customer.
Yes, time taken, and you know always customer comes on to hurry.
Okay.
He don't have time, and he comes on a time. He need everything at a better price and a lesser time.
Okay, just put your voice, you can just fit the engine and you can fill the engine and you can get a customer.
Exactly. Fit and forget. You get all the parts of an engine, which whatever is required.
Okay, after changing this customer has to maintain any kind of speed limit like in OME I've heard 40 60 speed with the material child. For this, what's the speed limit? Anything
See,
like
to be very precise, it's a wrong perception of speed onto this. Like speed is nothing related to the engine, right? Speed is all about it's a thrill,
Okay.
and plus over here to get the better performance, 60 to 80 kilo the speed you in case you are putting it, you get the better performance, endurance, and pickup of your bike. So whenever these things carry on, and even that engine will open very less.
Okay.
So here, if we will go with the 80 speed or 70 kilometer per hour or 60, anything, he can do it. But again, whatever he is doing it, make sure the fitment of is been done very good and precisely.
Okay.
Not any mistake has been done.
Okay.
It will work in a very, very good way.
If mechanic puts mistakenly the sealant gum, what happens to the gasket? That will happen, no?
No, nothing will happen, but we ask them not to use it because we have already done their work in this gasket.
Okay.
He know how to open the engine, he know how to clean the engine, he know how to fix it. Rest all the work will be done inside the engine by this gasket.
Okay. If any mechanic puts mistakenly the engine sealant, what happens?
No, it's nothing going to happen.
Okay.
Right, nothing is going to happen because we have also noticed, we have urged all the people not to use it, but some mechanics, yes, they do it, and sometimes the engines, engine in the sense like the conditions and the wear and tear of the engine is not good, like you can say in the very bad conditions.
Okay.
Over there also, they applied the sealant.
Okay. Okay, very nice information I got.